Board of Management Volkswagen brand, CEO of the Volkswagen brand.
Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new Volkswagen Touareg. I think it's a beautiful car. I'm very proud of my team. This day is very, very special. Thank you. This day is very, very special for Volkswagen. It is proving the performance of our brand and our outstanding partners and friends at FAW Volkswagen and at SAIC Volkswagen. They're all sitting here in the first rows. And it shows where we are standing after 30 years of partnership in this country. 3 decades that have brought unbelievable progress to this nation, to the automotive industry, to the people who enjoy individual mobility every day. We are very proud being part of this endeavor. Volkswagen is moving people forward. That is our motivation and the promise to our customers. Every Volkswagen is made for people who call for quality, prestige, and passion. So does the new Touareg. This car embodies all those values with intuitive control, extensive digitalization, advanced safety systems, and above all, maximum driving fun. It sets a new benchmark at the top of the automotive world, and it shows what Volkswagen can do in terms of design, technology, and innovation. The new Touareg is the top model of our generation SUV, and it is the flagship of our brand. It combines state-of-the-art technology with superior craftsmanship and the comfort of a luxury saloon with the skills of a true off-roader. That makes the Touareg an important milestone in the biggest product and technology initiative Volkswagen has ever started off. We have made this car for a generation of ambitious and performing people, people who strive for the best and not only expect innovation, but also want to drive it forward by themselves. Almost 1 million customers have already bought a first or second generation Touareg. It has been a global success from the start. With the new generation, we will add to this success. Every Volkswagen is to be among the best in terms of safety, functionality, and quality. And it is our obligation to bring this progress to millions of people. We have done so since 7 decades and for more than 153 million vehicles. Ladies and gentlemen, Volkswagen is a pioneer in individual mobility, and that holds true for China as well. For 30 years, we have been a true companion for our friends of SAIC and FAW. We are grateful that we have grown together and that today we are the leading and most successful car company in this country. In 2017, 3.2 million people bought a Volkswagen in China. No other car brand has ever been as successful in this country or in any other country of the world. And I'm sure with the new Touareg, we will even shifting up a gear. And now I would like to hand over to Frank Welsch, who will give you all the details of the all-new Touareg. Frank, stage is yours.
Okay. So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm extremely pleased to be here with you to present the all-new Touareg, especially as it is here in Beijing. The Touareg is one of the most innovative and most advantaged Volkswagen we've ever designed, developed and built. The Touareg exudes refined style and self-confidence. I think self-confidence from every perspective. It's the exclusive flagship of our brand. It's powerful, it's elegant, and it's innovative. And that applies to the exterior as well as to the interior. The interior, for example, was developed from head to toe for the digital age. The digital age, on the one hand, but this in combination with the lounge feeling you have inside, with the luxury comfort zone, with all the design materials we've used. We designed finest materials such as glass, wood, leather, aluminium, and chrome, in a distinct and fine combination, which is called luxury. It's built with craftsmanship, it's perfection down to the every little detail. The new Touareg, ladies and gentlemen, is the SUV for the digital generation. The InnoVision cockpit, which has a premiere in this car, delivers a completely new user experience. What is InnoVision cockpit? We have on the one hand a 12-inch cockpit display and a 15-inch infotainment system, and it's merged to create a digital communication and entertainment unit. In this unit, you can touch nearly everything. You can do everything you want in that car, even without touching any conventional button or switch. And this is quite new, and this fits perfect to the digital age and digital generation. In addition to that InnoVision cockpit, we have a new head-up display. This display projects important information directly onto the windscreen, and so drivers can keep their eyes on the street, and have nothing to do while looking somewhere around. Just head on the streets, head-up display. And when you combine both of this, the new head-up display and the InnoVision cockpit, this, to our view, this is the blueprint of tomorrow's digital interior. It's always on, it has intuitive control, perfect user experience, and what is most important, it's focused on people. Drivers can use this InnoVision cockpit to adjust the assistance system, the handling, and the comfort systems that the Touareg is offering. They can adjust all this to their personal needs. And it's like, on the other hand, like a smartphone on wheels. The car adapts to your personal preference, whether you're a driver or a passenger. Ladies and gentlemen, but there's more to come, because the new Touareg is not only one of the most convenient cars in the world, it's also one of the most safest cars in the world. The Touareg marks the launch of the largest range of assistant and comfort systems we ever integrated into a Volkswagen. Let me start with just some examples. We have the traffic jam assist, with this in combination with the lane assist system. They both enable a kind of semi-automatic driving function. Emergency assist, cross-traffic assist are two functions that improve safety significantly. Another real highlight in this combination is the night vision system. We installed infrared cameras to this Touareg, and these cameras detect people as well as animals. If they are in danger, they show up in the display marked in yellow or red, and even more than that, if they are illuminated with our new LED headlights, and it's marked with a brief flash from the Matrix headlight systems. And this combination of the headlight systems, which we call IQ Light, and this night vision system, in combination therefore delivers a unique safety benefits with this generation of the new Touareg. The next innovative system is the new cross-traffic assist. This uses two radar sensors. These radar sensors, they monitor vehicles that approach from the front or even from the side. And in the event of a danger, it warns the driver. And in case that the driver doesn't react, doesn't do anything to this, the system will initiate an emergency braking by itself. And on top of all of that, what I mentioned, the new Touareg sets new standards in comfort and even in handling. because for a vehicle of this size and this weight, the Touareg is incredibly light-footed and it's really sporty. And you can believe me, I personally vouch for that. Its technology package includes a really highly sophisticated suspension system. It comes with active roll compensation to reduce body movement and extends the boundaries of physics to make the Touareg incredibly nimble and agile. And the perfect air suspension ensures a smooth ride even on poor roads. Obviously, a supreme automobile calls for a supreme and fuel-efficient powertrain. And that is why we've developed the new Touareg also as a plug-in hybrid. The combination of combustion engine and electric motor offers a system output of 270 kilowatt and a zero-emission range, electrical range of more than 50 kilometers. It's 58 kilometers, zero emission. Ladies and gentlemen, we've brought the third generation of the Touareg into the luxurious and into the digital world. But it is still at home in the off-road world. It's an SUV. But I think I don't really have to say anything more about that, because you saw the Touareg outside that recently drove the 16,000 kilometers from its birthplace in Europe here to Beijing. Just look at the impressive images in the video. Ladies and gentlemen, the new Touareg, this car shows what we can do at Volkswagen. Thank you very much.